Truth without apology. I have read more than 10 to 20 books of Acharya Prashant, but this book is unique. Why? Because it has very short chapters and impact is also high. Moreover, it has around 180 chapters. If you will see the number of chapters in this, you will be amazed that how so much chapters and what is the content actually. So it has actually 180 chapters. You might have read one book by Acharya Prashant and its name is Neem Ke Laddu, okay, or Neem Candies. Neem Candies in English, and in Hindi it is Neem Laddu by Acharya Prashant. So it's very much similar to that. Acharya Prashant has written means more than around 160 books available in paperback, and including the ebook it might have crossed 200. So this book is unique because it is not in the format of question and answer. Most of the books, most of the national best-selling books by Acharya Prashant is in the format of question and answer, but this book is not in the format of question and answer, and this book is written as normal books are, like it has some statements, okay. It's not a storytelling book, or it's not any fiction. It's more inclined toward yourself. It's like a mirror. So this book is unique. You should definitely read this. If you have read more books of Acharya Prashant, you will be familiar with his language, that what tone does he uses, what is the difficulty level. But you should definitely read this book, and on Amazon this book is trending, okay. So you should definitely prefer reading this book. A few chapters which I have read is very impactful. If I would tell you about the table of contents, actually this book has also the signature of Acharya ji, okay. He has this book. I was available offline, in person, when the means book launch session was going on in New Delhi, okay. So I was present actually offline, so the sign is by him only. Okay, so that's also very one of the great thing which I have. So the table of contents has been divided into few of the sub parts, okay. Like all 180 chapters are not just one by one. It's divided into major segments, like the lie called you, fear, the inner dictator, the hunger that consumes, work, will and right fight, relationship, the great illusion, similarly thought, belief and the trap of knowledge, society and the game of others. So it's basically divided, okay. From where do we start, or where you are stuck, because it happens that all people don't have the same problem in their life. Every person has that has his own some biasness, okay, or superstition, some conditioning. So I can't say that the first chapter will be helpful for you only, or it may happen that first chapter is helpful for me but not for you, or might be vice versa. But there are a number of chapters which will definitely help you in breaking your illusions. This book is only for those who can just bear the pain after reading it, because it has some of the words, some of the sentences which will shatter your conditioning, and you will have to bear it. If you are not ready to bear it, if you are just a lover of sweet candies, please avoid reading it, because it has neem candies, not sweet candies, okay. So it's just a disclaimer for before reading it. At the back of the book there is written, no dogma, no delusion, no apology, okay. So unfiltered, undiluted, unafraid. So have the courage before reading it, that okay, I will read it, and whatever written it in this book, I will reflect on myself, okay. The best way of which I thought and I observed, that after reading the chapters and the lines of this book, I was able to reflect on myself that is it as per my life, is it helpful in my life? If it is, then it can change your life. Unless and until you will be just reading this book as story or normal book, but this book will definitely change your perception, point of view towards your life and towards the outer world also, because we see something outside, we reflect inside, it's we have one image of that. So have some courage before reading this. For knowing more, you can also join the Gita Samagam by Acharya Prashant. You can download the Acharya Prashant app. There you can get very exclusive live sessions by Acharya Prashant. More than around 10 to 12 courses, discourses are there, and you get recordings, you get a very good place, Gita community, where people share their reflections, where you will definitely enjoy the community. Means if you are in search of such kind of like-minded people, where you can express something which people will listen, or you want to write, you can join the Gita community. The link is in the description box, both of this book and that Gita live Gita Samagam. Okay, few of the lines which and there is one more thing I would like to add about this book. You can read it from anywhere. Okay, it's not something, you are not bound to read it from the beginning. You can read it from anywhere. Okay, and you will, it has not relation with the first chapter or second chapter. Okay, so that's very interesting about this book. Okay, so let's have one what we say thrilling kind of experience. So let's open it. Okay, whichever chapter, the burden of false duties. Let's read what's in the quotation mark. So it's written, if duty feels heavy, it was never truly yours. Authentic responsibility uplifts, fake responsibility enslaves. Now reflect upon it. If duty feels heavy, is it so? It hurt me because in my job I feel that yes, there is something which I don't want to do, but it is in my life. So it was never truly yours. This is also true because I am working just for having salary and all those. Authentic responsibility uplift, fake responsibility enslaves. So these are the responsibility which are assigned to me by some other people, which I have never thought of that will I be doing that or not. Okay. Okay. So there are many such chapters like these and quotations. So you will have to firstly read, then reflect that okay, how is it relatable to me, then you will learn much more things from it. Okay, and its price is only $3.99. On Amazon it's available around 300 or 350. You can check out. Ebook is also available, so have this copy in your self and read it. And if you have any query, you can definitely comment in the comment box or mail on my email address. So thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.